Welcome to Quantitative Portfolio Management course. Here you will master the quantitative techniques that are rigorously practiced by institutional investors. If you want to make the best returns out of your portfolio within your risk appetite, then this is the right course for you. All investors from the big investment funds to the smallest individual investors face common issues in their investment decisions. How much capital to allocate to a particular security or strategy in a portfolio? How to decide where to invest? How to get returns above the market? How much risk to take? How to analyze the portfolio's performance? In this course, you will learn to formulate solutions to all these questions. This course will teach you about different capital allocation methods, based on modern portfolio theory, Kelly criterion, and risk parity. These methods will help you to construct optimal portfolios. You will learn different factors such as size, value, momentum. These factors explain the above market returns of the securities. If you are into factor investing, and often confused about which factors to choose, this course has all you need. You will learn different asset pricing models such as CAPM, Fama-French 3-factor, and 5-factor models. Using these models, you can identify which factors are driving returns in your portfolio. You will also learn different ratios such as Sharpe, Sortino, information, and visualize maximum drawdown, cumulative returns, and monthly portfolio performance. These measures will help you to analyze the performance of your portfolio. This course provides you with the latest techniques in quantitative portfolio management, and helps you practice them in Python. Although a basic knowledge of Python would help, it is not mandatory. Whether you are a researcher, or a newbie, this course is for you. We have taught all the topics in a detailed, and simple to understand manner through interactive videos, PDFs, and IPython notebooks. There are also a number of interactive exercises, and objective questions to test you along the way. In the next video, you can look into the detailed structure of this course. Good luck.